Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Today I'll be doing another unboxing. I'm not going to tell you what the planes are yet. There is two in there. I've already opened it up just to make sure it was my package. But yeah, I will say I'm very excited for these models. If you've been watching for a while, you may have some idea what these are. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I got the box today, well, probably yesterday for those watching it in the future. But yeah, so I've already looked. Okay, we'll start with this one. Maybe they're connected. Alright, so we have the Sun Country 737-7 or 800 by NG. I actually thought this was the different one, but that's okay. So we'll get this bubble wrap off. Alright, there's the box with the thumbprint or whatever this thingy is. Sorry for the lighting again, it's just afternoon. And then the second plane is the Sun Country 737-800 in the old livery. So yeah, get the bubble wrap up that and we'll open them. Okay, so I want to start with this one. Open this one up first. So when Sun Country changed the livery, I was kind of like, why? Because this was one of my favorites before that. I think the S on the front looks really nice, but yeah, it looks great. A lot of you guys got yours a long time before mine. Mine came from China, so it took almost a month. But yeah, it looks great. Show you the detail here. So you get the Sun Country symbol in the front, Sun Country, then the vibrant orange. I think NG's colors, while they do look good, I think Aviation 18 said this, but they're unrealistic, but they look good, so it kind of makes up for it. But so yeah, there's that issue, but other than that, there's this one is spot on. We'll open this one up. I'm more interested to see this. I just saw this plane in Fort Myers. So I don't know if it was the exact one. Yeah, this one looks awesome too with the, yeah, this is awesome. Orange is great. The new livery is starting to grow on me. You got that little thumbprint or whatever they're called on the back, and yeah, set that one next to it. So yeah, we'll go into more depth on both of these right now. Okay, starting off with the old livery. Again, this I have no problem with this livery whatsoever. It's probably one of my favorites actually. They did an amazing job with it. But we'll start up here. So you have the cockpit windows with the nose cone, everything. Gear, or above the gear rather, you can see the registration, which is 804. Got the boarding door, the L1. I don't really know if it's L1. There's some kind of like dragon symbol that might be an award or something. Again, NG's gear is not as good as Gemini Jets, but literally the rest of the entire plane knocks Gemini Jets like out of the park. So yeah, can't really complain there. Sun Country titles, you got the engines. Originally I said that the NG's engines are a little bit small. I think they're still a tiny bit small, but I think they're mostly like spot on. You got the overwing exits, you got the Sun Country winglets, great detail. Got the rest of the windows, registration November 804 Sierra Yankee. Got the Boeing 737-800. Then you have the amazing Sun Country tail. So yeah, we'll move on to the newer livery. Okay, so this model is kind of like, this should be the new standard for any model company looking to make a 737-800. Like, the nose wheel is better on this one. The nose cone is perfect. Well, near perfect. Cockpit windows are great. The boarding door is great. Sun Country title. All the windows are perfect. There's no smudge. Engines are perfect. Winglets are perfect. Colors are great. Vibrant. Then you have all the detail down to the, I call it the thumbprint, but whatever they are. I mean, even on the bottom, like, let me zoom out and show you guys. Like, that's an insane amount of detail. You got the blue on the wheels, blue on the engine. Credit to Sun Country though for making an awesome livery like this. You got the registration, November 830 Sierra Whiskey or Yankee, and then the Sun Country tail. So yeah, both of these models are absolutely stunning and gorgeous. If you can, I would definitely recommend picking them up. This one, I bought the last one I could find on eBay. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this unboxing. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Also, a huge thank you to all my subscribers for 42. You guys are truly awesome. Yeah, so stick around for more awesome aviation content, and yeah, I'd recommend getting both of these models, as I said. But other than that, that'll do it for this video. Again, please like and subscribe for more awesome aviation content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.